with DePIN. Let's DePIN.
Next up, we've got someone who's building at the bleeding edge of DePIN and protocol design. Please welcome Alan Cho, President and CEO of ZetaCube, to share his keynote, Protocol Beyond DePIN and AI. Please welcome.
Good afternoon, everybody. I really appreciate first to you this wonderful event and the conference for the DePIN. DePIN is recently almost my religion. I'm a Christian, but in this time it's just focus on the DePIN for the expanding the ecosystem from the Korean side. So today I wish to introduce our solution of the project for the DePINs and how can we integrate with the DePIN and the AI and what kind of important issues occurred in the DePIN recently. So the title is A Protocol Beyond DePIN and AI, and the subtitle is NDP. So today I wish to announce the new protocol and the token for the DePIN. First, I wish to introduce my company. My company is name is ZetaCube. Zeta is a very big number. Already understand that. So we established the year 22, but my original company still operated from the 2006. So we are manufacturing. Our major business is manufacturing for the hardware and the software side. So, but the year 2020, we are just starting the decentralized data center solutions and build a big data center in the Korea side. But more and more we operated some data center that we recognize about it is meaningless for some two huge data centers. So it means now in this time every resource is much optimized. So in this time, so we don't need a big space and the big electricity. Optimize can make a shrink for the space and the time and the electricity and the expense. So we are focused on the DePIN from the 23. So in this time is we are launching the DePIN Association in Korea and build the DePIN bootcamp. We call it DePIN. We operate very well in the in the Seoul and quite successful. And now in this time we hosting the many DePIN projects to our solutions. I wish to introduce myself first. I'm working for the IDP over the 30 years. So just one way, I just deliver development and manufacturing the IT products and the security and the network equipment. Even I just remember that this Hanoi is just year 2000, coming with the Korean Telecom and working with the BNPT at the time. So so many projects I just proceeding by my hand. So I can easily to understand about the hardware and the software and the security issues, many things. So reason why in this time is I just handle the AI solutions and the project and the DePINs. Our company is not so big team. So we are just below 20 people and in the Seoul and surround some Seoul cities, some location laboratories and showrooms and manufacturing systems. And our every engineer is very professional for the hardware and the software side. So we build the entire system, means from hardware to the softwares and the blockchain side and the security side together. So our product is like this. So every product is focused on the DePIN. First one, Nano DC is a very small micro size data center for the DePIN oriented one. And the second one is SAI, SAI server is open source LLM packaged, very small and quite powerful and cost effective AI servers. And the third one is we call the PowerPoint storage. So this is connect with the PowerPoint and the very small space, small dimensions, but it is automatically onboarding and provide storage to the decentralized networks and many data. And our company is handle the license, virtual asset service provider license in Korea. We are licensee. Only 27, in this time is 27 company only handle this one in the Korea. And even 4 company is invest from the big bank, but they are just can handle the staking service. But our companies are already passed the license for the staking and the liquidity at the same time. So we build this under this license for the DePIN pool. You know, so almost the DePIN is need staking for the guarantee about the stability for services. So we build our own liquidity pool for the DePIN's liquidity services for the staking, the deposit, and the collateral to the DePIN nodes. So we dream and imagine about the perfect ecosystem for by our hand like this. We just build the Nano DePIN center here and there, and install the many DePIN and hosting many DePIN to the here, and we operated some liquidity pool to the customer side, and at the same time we delivered our own token and the management to our own project to this field, and every computing power is supporting the AI services. And I already explained about we just compose the DePIN Association Korea. So I wish to collaborate with another country's DePIN Association and Alliance, like the DePIN Alliance in Vietnam. So we have some boot camp and many composed by ourselves. So I really wish to invite you to our next conference. And this is we have some YouTube channels for the providing our movement for the DePIN. So we are just build video powers and some broadcasting for the DePIN news and DePIN training and the education program by these YouTube channels. And this is, I already explained about the AI servers, the name is SI servers. So we are ready for the AI and deliver this one to the even Samsung. Our customer is Samsung, so they don't want their original information transferred to the cloud side. So we prepare the on-premise server and operate it locally for the provider information. And like this, we have 3 kinds of servers, and it is very powerful, 32 billion to 671 billion parameter can proceed, and very cost effective. And so our model is when AI server operated there, but everybody almost of AI operation is just a temporary stop, and they just preparing the another job. So at that time we can connect with the DePIN side and renting to the DePIN users. So on the another reward together. So why do you need decentralized data centers? Originally, this kind of data center is normally provided by the DePIN networks in the same location. So we call the decentralized, but this is not a decentralized. So many nodes is composed in the same location. That it is not efficient, and decentralized make the trouble by this kind of geographical issues. So our target is like this. So we installed our servers in the Korea side. Is our several places decentralized, and the installation that it is can cover each area's data and service and the kind of application. It's a much easier and much stable for the DePIN side. We believe that. So this is our product design. So it is combined with the electricity power control and the batteries and the UPS. So left side is control panel is there, and the right side is we integrated server for the AI and the storage servers. And we just provide some UPS system, smart UPS system, control the power supply and every environment wrapper to the management backend. So this is real picture for the installations, and we got the grand prize of year 2025 Korea's best digital brand award. So how can we install? So this is very simple. This is one reference. So they are a broadcasting company. Just we deliver one box and just installation and connect the power. Just enough power 15 kilowatt, then it can operate. So just within one day, anywhere in the even in Africa, can deliver this box and become a data center someplace. So recently, now more and more big data centers construction is very difficult even in Korea. So many people is just hesitate about that kind of big building installation, and many difficulties occur at the consume the big powers. So our target is we just build this data center like this. So small place, small factories just deliver this box, then become a data center. So why are we using the small factories? Small factories, factory electricity price is very low, so very cost effective. So just one day deliver somewhere, then it can cover 4 petabyte or even reach the 40 petabyte is possible. A very big size storage, and 46 unit GPU can provide that. So this is our target model. So in Korea, many factory complex is there. So we install here and there for the DePIN data centers. So in this time, DePIN is everybody thinking about the DePIN here and there, and unfortunately in Korea it's still not common. So we are a leader of the DePIN company DayStat, but we are spend the effort for continuous for the understanding the DePIN. But when we thinking about the DePIN, most efficient some field is AI supporting. It means we feel the DePIN need enough benefit from the services. So most efficient and high cost, high expense payment is big payment is coming from the AI side. So AI is in this time make the two kind of big trouble. First one is biased. So normally they just acquisition the private data, but it is coming from the somewhere. Then it is biased. So AI just misunderstand the hallucination is occur. And another part is cost issues. Private training and the fine tuning and embedding. Every process is really need a huge GPU powers and computing powers. So that cost is too huge. When we using the Amazon and that kind of Google services, it's almost normally they spend a huge money in the 1 year. So this is big trouble. So many DePIN is just separated two kind of way. So left side is computing power side, and the right side is network side. So so many DePIN projects in this time occurred and listing to the IoTech's DePIN scan. DePIN market cap is already very huge. But unfortunately, DePIN is still high entry barrier to barrier. They have a very high entry barriers, and so many technology issues and cost issues and very big hurdle is there. And the big challenge is so many DePIN projects just come out and discard and make the trouble from the scam issue. The reason why is they don't have any verified some grade and some guidelines. So I just thinking about the DePIN must have a penalty systems and the DePIN must have a control system. But in this time, this is real stories. We already checked by some report from the report from the grayscale. It is so many DePIN projects just first time installation their DePIN equipment, and first time is just on the money from the rework, and the second they just forget and lay down and become a trash. So only 20 to 30% is in this entire ecosystem just operating. This is really huge trouble. So we just thinking about why this kind of some meaningless and some very unfortunately this kind of big issues occurred again and again in the DePIN ecosystem is management issues. So frankly speaking, every DePIN is a computing resource and network resource and the IoT sensor is a very technical based need assist maintenance and continuous management systems must handled by the big players like the Korea Telecom, VNPT and the Manitic. But just private operation and management make the trouble. So reason why in this time is we build a very new protocol. So I wish to introduce our new protocol and token for the management DePIN ecosystem. We build this one for help with each other another DePIN project. It means another DePIN, some projects have some own ecosystem and tokenomics, but unfortunately management difficult and many tokenomics unstable, then we can support by this kind of. Okay, turn the volume please. Volume up please. Volume up please. Play the video and the volume up. It's okay. Play video. No, left side. Click and play the video.
Yeah, it's on, Alex. It's on.
Volume up, please.
Today. It is the Nano DePIN Protocol and NDP token. It is a groundbreaking attempt to support and integrate artificial intelligence beyond DePIN, and it is a project at the center of Web3 and RWA that can be applied directly to the real world and generate profits. So please listen carefully to the explanation of my artificial intelligence avatar. A decentralized sharing economy ecosystem created by NDP. It's NDP.
A protocol beyond DePIN. Beyond the limits of DePIN with AI. Hello, I'm the AI avatar of Alan Cho, CEO of ZetaCube. From now on, I'll explain the NDP token in detail. NDP, which easily connects real-world infrastructure with users through blockchain, creates value, and shares profits, is a completely new and practical protocol that will become an innovative platform for the DePIN ecosystem and a great driving force that supports the activation of the AI industry. This time, I will explain the system configuration of the NDP protocol. An NDP agent is installed on all onboarded DePIN resources, and the actual system information is transmitted to the NDP scoring server through the NDP resource analysis system and analyzed to determine the DePIN offering price. Afterwards, it is disclosed to users around the world through the NDP market server, and customers directly select the resources they need, set the usage period, pay with NDP, and safely transfer the BNB chain-based NDP token to investors, managers, and providers. After the customer purchases the resource, it will be monitored by NDP's strict monitoring system, and if the provision is interrupted or there is an operation problem, a recovery request will be made within 24 hours. If this is violated, the state NDP will be gradually burned to maintain the soundness of the network power. Of course, suppliers who continuously provide DePIN resources will have the opportunity to receive more and more rewards. This time, we will introduce the tokenomics of the NDP protocol, which is considered the most important in all token projects. NDP was designed based on the BNB chain from its initial design concept, considering linkage with other DePIN projects, and plans to initially issue a total of 2 billion NDP and issue a certain percentage of float. NDP has structured its token economy by using the largest proportion of 40% to reward DePIN providers within the NDP ecosystem, 15% to the team and contributors, 10% to strategic partners, 10% to community and marketing, 15% to DAO governance, and 5% to the liquidity pool. However, there is room for some modifications depending on technological developments and changes in the DePIN ecosystem. Lastly, I would like to explain the roadmap and vision of the project that the NDP protocol intends to carry out in the future. NDP is currently in the initial planning and token building stage and is conducting an ICO. After the ICO is completed, we plan to launch the initial service and recruit DePIN providers and DePIN users. Since NDP can realize profits through DePIN buyers from the initial launch, we plan to actively distribute tokens using DePIN pool, etc. even before the exchange listing. After that, while the domestic and international exchange listings are in progress, we plan to distribute mobile versions of the NDP agents such as Android and iPhone and expand it to a data network such as sensor information and location information in addition to computing power, and to create a base platform for a decentralized shared economy. Ultimately, we will focus on continuous technology development and system expansion with the goal of expanding to resource fields such as energy. In any case, please pay attention and join us as we look forward to the beginning, development, and future of NDP, the Nano DePIN Protocol. Thank you. A protocol beyond DePIN, Nano DePIN Protocol.
Okay. So this is our protocols and the new token issues. So please visit our website and check it again. Thank you so much.